A client operating in the manufacturing sector approached us via its accountant. The client had built up significant arrears of £2 million to HMRC as a result of a reduction in trading linked to COVID-19, increased raw material prices and excess costs as a result of a recent acquisition. Consequently, the client's principal funder had restricted funding following the deterioration in trading, and HMRC had requested a security bond to be provided, given the extensive arrears and poor compliance record. The client had also fallen behind with rent payments and built up trade creditor arrears. Kroll built a financial restructuring plan involving support from the key stakeholders, with the HMRC position at the forefront. We stabilised the HMRC position by preventing enforcement action and agreed a 3-month deferral of all pre-pandemic arrears, along with the deferrals of all ongoing HMRC commitments. In addition, we supported management's negotiations with key suppliers, the landlord and the funder as part of the wider restructuring plan. This allowed our team sufficient time to start to build the integrated financial forecast models to support the overall restructure. Once Kroll received support from the key stakeholders to the restructuring plan, this was presented to HMRC. Following a short period of negotiations, where HMRC fully reviewed the proposal and the client's forecasts, Kroll was successful in agreeing a 2-year time to pay arrangement. Kroll further agreed with HMRC that future VAT reclaims will be remitted to the client free of any offset, as well as future R&D tax credits, both of which would aid future cash flow. We at Kroll can help businesses who have accrued HMRC arrears and have challenging compliance records and support them through this distressing period. We can help businesses manage key stakeholders while negotiating the best possible package of support from HMRC.